Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today I am going to explain you how to create search as you type text box very easily. So I'll guide you step by step. Then you can create your own search as you type text box. So actually this method is very easy and it is very helpful when you create professional access databases. So before go to the video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. So you see, this is my Microsoft Access database. So it contains one table called ABL employee. So my table contains 8 columns: employee ID, full name, job title, department, business and the gender, country and the city. Yes. So based on this data table, I'm going to create a form or a search as to type text box. So my first step is to create a query based on this table. Let's go to the create tab like this and let's create a query. So I am going to select query design. So my table is TBL employee. I press add button and close the dialog box. So this is the table. So here I need all the fields for my query. Therefore I am going to double click on this asterisk mark. So when I click on the asterisk mark, what happens? All the tables or all the 8 columns includes in my new query. So I am going to save my query. So my query name is QRY employee. Yes, my first step is okay. So I create query as a first step. So my query is based on the employee table. So what is next? Now my second step is to create a form. So create a form. Again I click on the create tab, then select blank form. Then save your form. So my form name is FRN just employee. Yes. I created the new form and saved form as or rename form as FRM employee. Then I want to add a text box to my newly added form. So I click on the form layout design tab and click on the text box, and I want to paste my text box here. Then I change my text box caption to search. Then I can change the color and the size of my text size of my search box. Then I want to name this text box as txt search. I change my text box name to text search. Then I want to add a command button. So again, I click on the form design, then I select button, then I placed my button here. So here I want to change the button caption to clear. Yes, I changed my button caption to clear. Then I want to change my button name to CMD clear. So I change my button name to CMD clear. Then again you need to add another text box. Therefore, let's go to create tab. Then select on the form design. Then again click on the text box and add a new text box. There you don't need this text box table. So you need to change the second text box name to txt dummy. Yes, I changed my second text box name to txt dummy. Now I have two text boxes. First one is txt search text box and the second one is txt dummy text box. And also I have a command button. So I have named my command button to CMD clear and its caption is clear. Now what you should do is you have to create a subform based on this query. So to create a subform, what you should do is you can select this query and you can keep mouse point on this query and drag your query to here. Okay. Now your FR employee form is in design mode. Then drag and drop your query from navigation pane to the empty form. Then you can see this kind of dialog box. Then press finish button. So once you click on the finish button, it is like this. Then select this what we call query subform. Select a subform like this. Then right click on this subform. Then go to layout tab. Then select tabular. Now you need to do this thing. You have to select these what we call controls of your subform. You select subform controls and right click on this, and from this menu you have to take tabular. So once you click tabular, the subform change like this. Then you need to arrange this one. So you have to remove. So once you select the tabular option, then after that select the same thing like this, then right click, then you should click on the layout and select the third one, remove layout. So once you remove the layout, you can adjust this, you can adjust these columns as you wish. So you can adjust these fields as you wish. So here I want to add the employee ID here. Yes, employee ID. I arrange employee ID like this. Then after that, employee name. So you can change employee name. Like this, then job title. Job title, then the department. Then business unit. Yes, you need to arrange your subform like this. Once you arrange your subform like this, what you should do is just select the subform and go to select your subform like this, and here you can see under the format tab there is a option called default. So here by default your subform default is datasheet, so you need to change the datasheet view to continuous form and save. Then yes, my form is like this. Now I designed my search as you type form interface like this. Now this is the continuous form and the search text box, and this one is the dummy text box, and this is command. So based on these things, I'm going to add. Then again you need to select your what we call the query. Then select your query and go to design view. Okay, now here you can see the second column of your query design. Click on it and right click and select zoom. Here you need to add search options. It means table columns. So you need to add the table columns employee ID as a search option, then full name, then job, then department, then business unit, what else? I'll add gender and country. Gender is a country. And city. So these are the search options of my search as you type text box. Therefore, once you enter these search options, so the search fields, then press OK button. Then here, name this field as search, SEAR search para. Then save it. Close. Now you have search criteria like this, search options like this. Then you see here under the design view of your query, there is a field called criteria. So you have to give a criteria for your search text box. To give an criteria, what you should do is just click on the criteria, then under the query design select build. So once you select build, then you have a form like this. Here you need to select your database, then forms, then all forms, in employee subform, sorry, then FRM employee, there you have to select txt dummy. Okay, this is the flow you have to select. Once you select, press the OK button. Select build, select form, then all forms, then FRM, sorry, txt dummy, forms, FRM employee, txt dummy. So this is what you should select under the what we call query design expression builder. So here you need to add additionally this thing. This is the search criteria. So what you should add. So what you should additionally, you need to add like double open quote inverted commas, close the inverted commas, after that at the end, after the txt dummy, again add and mark, asterisk mark, close inverted commas. This is what you need to add under the criteria field, then press OK. Then save and close your query design. Then again open your form, FRM employee form. You have to open this form, then right click design view, then select your txt search text box under in design view, form design view, then right click and click on the build event. So once you click on the build event, you need to choose or select code builder from this dialog box, then press OK. So you need to add a small VBA code for txt search. So the event is not click, you have to change the event to change. So I am going to add a small VBA code to txt search text box. The event is, under the change event. So here what you should do is you have to add this text, me dot txt dummy equals me dot txt search dot text. Right. Then the second code you need to enter me dot query employee subform dot requery. Yes, that's all. So then save. Then the next line of code. Then the second line of code goes to your command button. So here select the command button. Our command button name is cmd clear. So you need to write this small code under the cmd clear command button click event. There you have to type txt dummy equals, it clears the text box. Then the second one, txt search equals inverted commas. Then again me dot query employee subform dot equal. So that is what you need to enter the command button. So once you write these codes, click on the save button, then go back to your access search box form, search form. Then I want to add a color to my text box background. So therefore I select this. I add this blue color, and I want to add white color to my search label. So once I add these things, then I can check my database whether it works well. Yes, it works. So just type. So I am randomly going to add an employee number E00591. So once I enter an employee ID, it gives me, or it finds me specific employee record. Now I am going to enter employee name. Just say Luke Martin. Yeah, it gives me a name. So here again, clear your text box, then just type country to China. Yes, once I type China, you see it sorts or finds records related to China. So you can add search as you type text box to your form by using this method. Actually, this is a very easy method. You can easily add this one, and it can search under multiple criteria. So multiple criteria, it helps to search records under multiple criteria, search criteria. Then here you can hide this dummy text box under the dummy text box. Then go to the properties window. There under the all tab you can see a visible. There's an option called visible. Then by default this visible equal yes. Then you have to set the visible equals no. Then save. Then again go to the form view. Then you can see your search form is like this. Yeah, likewise you can create very easy search as to type text box like this. Okay, that is it for today. If you need any clarification regarding this process, please put a comment under the video comment section, then I can explain you. Okay, let's meet with another video like this. Do not forget to subscribe my Rover YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much.